Hi, today I will show you how to connect the cameras on your mobile. First thing, right click here, main menu, pattern and lock. Okay, if pattern is asking pattern or otherwise, right click main menu, switch user admin, password is TECH@988. Okay, then on the bottom there is option called network. In the last network you have option called P2P. Make sure status is online, this is enable, and you have to make sure that LED is blinking backside of the recorder box. If you can see the recorder box, the light is blinking on that. Okay, make sure that is blinking and status should online. Then comes to mobile, go app stores, go on search DMSS, search this application, downloads and open it. Then top right plus icon here, click on the plus, scan QR code, click on the scan the device SN. After you scan, press next, and then NVR XVR. Make sure your device is NVR or DVR. Mine is DVR. Scan next, and make sure your device, click on the NVR and XVR. Make sure what you are using, NVR or DVR. I am using DVR. Click on the DVR. Device name, your shop name, for example shop name, password is tech@988. Done. Click on save on the top, press OK. Then you can see the cameras here. Done.